This is how to add a GitHub link in Overleaf. Go to overleaf.com and you will see your projects here. You can create a new project or choose among your projects. Let's say this identification of harmonics. Now, if you want to add a link, say for instance, electrical, we will add a GitHub link on electrical. Okay, we'll copy a GitHub link and we'll find electrical. Okay, just highlight this one and click this insert link icon and paste your GitHub link and click recompile. Hover to electrical and you see here the GitHub link. You can also use visual. Okay, let's say the electronics engineering. So let's add a GitHub link. So just click this insert link icon, paste your GitHub URL, hit enter, and just recompile. Okay, then you can click your GitHub link, and here it is. So this is how to add a GitHub link in Overleaf.